What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be unboxing the Toshiba Canvio Basics 3.0 portable hard drive. I will be making a review on it once I use it enough and have the experience to make a detailed review and opinion of it. As you may be able to tell, I ordered it off Amazon, and let's get right into the packaging. There's actually perforation marks on the packaging, so I don't need scissors or anything. I can just open it straight away. So shout out to Amazon for making it easy to open their packaging. Alright, as always, I'm going to get started with the packaging. So we have Toshiba and Canvio Basics lettering, USB 3.0 hard drive. It is also compatible with USB 2.0. As you can see, we have a couple different languages on the front. It is a 2 terabyte hard drive, so 2000 gigabytes. Claims to have easy setup. There's a graphic of the product itself. This can actually come in two different styles. This is the contemporary style, and you can also get it in a classic style. We have a nice green background and a 1-year limited warranty included. Overall, pretty normal packaging, I would say. You can also pay extra to get professional installation. It is supposed to have a matte finish that is smudge resistant and have a transfer rate of up to 5 gigabits per second. On the top, it is taped up, and we have a store hanger. Same lettering and info as on the front. On the right panel, again, same lettering. And on the left panel, we have some compatibility info. It is compatible with Windows 7 through 10, but not for Mac OS. And it says the compatibility will vary depending on hardware configuration and operating system. Again, in 2 languages. And down here we have what is included in the box, which appears to be the hard drive itself, a cable to transfer data from a computer or other device to the hard drive, and finally what looks to be a user manual. On the back, we actually have 4 languages, easy setup, drag and drop use, and graphics to go along with those. This line right here explains how storage works in general, on the device and on a computer, and the line just below it says that there's a warranty brochure installed on the device, or you can view it on their website. And down here is their address. And finally, on the bottom, we again have the company website and a little copyright information. And right here, this says the package is recyclable. Alright, now let's open this up. Not the easiest thing to open with the tape right here. There we go. This first paper is a declaration of conformity, which basically gives you warnings of things that could happen if you try to tamper with irregular use of the device or other interferences that can occur. And this one is a little quick start pamphlet that shows you how to connect it to a computer and tells you to check that all the components work properly. If not, you can contact their support team, and all their info is included. Here we have the connection cord in a recyclable package. Fun fact, right there you see LDPE, that means low density polyethylene. And if you look closely, you can see that this USB connector is blue, which usually means it's a USB 3.0. Not all USB 3.0 are blue, but if it is blue, that is a good indication. And usually if it's not blue, it'll have a logo that says SS, which stands for super speed. And that would be your logo indicating a 3.0 USB port. Lastly, the packaging around the hard drive is a thick material, and there's a good bit of pressure in these air pockets, so this is packaged very well and most likely resistant to some bumping around in here. And again, it is recyclable, but it is a different material than the plastic around that cord. Now if we take it out, It is very light and it has a nice matte finish. As you can see, it's about the size of my palm, so it's rather portable. We have a Toshiba engraving right here. This looks like some sort of indicator light. Here we have the connection port. The bottom just has a label which includes a warning that you cannot dispose of it in the garbage. Right here is the company website, and right here it says that it was made in the Philippines. Alright, so overall we have the packaging that the hard drive came in. Here we have the USB 3.0 cord to use to transfer from device to device. Here we have the original box that the hard drive came in. Here is the hard drive itself. Here is your quick start pamphlet, and here is your declaration of conformity. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about the hard drive or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.